Hello my dear friends, in this video you are going to learn about conjunctions. So let's start. A word that is used to join other words, group of words, phrases or sentences are called conjunctions. So a word that is used to join other words, group of words, phrases or sentences are called conjunctions. So here is the definition. Now there are different types of conjunctions. So let's read them also. And, but, or, if, because, that, when, until, unless, so that, although, after, so, before, since, while, whether, as, lest, where. These all conjunctions play a very important role to frame sentence. Now I am going to take few of these conjunctions to frame sentence, and I will also tell you that what is the use of these conjunctions when we use to frame sentence. So let's start. So first of all, we are going to learn about conjunction and. That what is the use of and? We use and to join similar statements or a noun and a pronoun or two short sentences expressing similar ideas. For example, Arun is sincere and industrious. Arun is sincere and industrious. Now the next one is but. But. We use but to join contrasting statements, opposition or exception. Contrasting means different. So, but is used to join contrasting statements, opposition or exception. For example, I work hard but I could not do well. Means one is positive, the other one is negative. You can learn like this also. I work hard but I could not do well. Now the next one is or. Or. We use or for making choice. For example, when you go to the market along with your mother and father, that time they used to ask you, what do you want? You want ice cream or cold drink. So they are giving you choice. They are asking your choice. So same as or is used when we used to make choice. Do it on your own or leave it. Now the next one is unless. Unless is used to express if not or except if. You will fail unless you study. You will fail unless you study. One more thing I want to make you clear about unless, that unless का meaning होता है अगर नहीं. इसे किसी शर्त कंडीशन के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है. Now the next one is until. Until is used to connect two clauses to show that an action continues up to a specific time or event and then stop. For a specific time, we use until. Until is used to connect two clauses. So, let's take one example. Keep running until you reach the finishing line. Keep running until you reach the finishing line. There is little bit confusion between unless and until. So, I am making more clear to you all. Until का अर्थ होता है किसी समय तक, ये दर्शाता है कि कोई क्रिया किस निश्चित समय तक जारी रहेगी. In that case, we use until. Now, the next one is because. Because is used to suggest the reason for something, or we can say cause. And we also use because if one sentence says something and the second sentence gives a reason for it. For example, we should respect our country because we should respect our country because it provides us with fundamental rights, safety and essential resources. Let's recall one more time. We should respect our country because it provides us with fundamental rights, safety and essential resources. So this is an example related to because. Now the next one is since. Since is used to indicate a specific starting point in the past for an action that continues to the present. Let's take an example. We have been best friends since childhood. Since childhood. Now the next one is whether. Whether is used to introduce an indirect question or to express a choice between alternatives. Whether is used to introduce an indirect question or to express a choice between alternatives. Let's take an example. I can't decide whether I should do this work right now or leave it for tomorrow. I can't decide whether I should do this work right now or leave it for tomorrow. So, hope this video will be helpful for you all to understand the topic conjunctions. Thank you.